doing this song quite a bit, but that's how it is with your new favorite baby. They want everybody to hear. This song is about my relationship with birds. And it's called Distracted by Birds. I really don't like having these things in front of me. I'm just going to see there's an iPod in there. Be gentle.
That's better. Very good.
In my dream I was running, feet firmly hitting the ground. These little legs that were pumping, not just uselessly hanging around. The amputated limb still cries out in pain. The complex overthinker looking for her brain. They take charge of the doer, giving up the reins as the rains are pouring down. Everybody who knows me is cautiously waiting in line while I watch these birds coexist, wondering when I will fly. It's a complicated battle you never wanna lose. Can force yourself against it, we don't get to choose. We build up our defenses, watch them all diffuse. They are vapor to me now. Will I watch myself fall away, looking for the song that will help me stay? The birds fly, and I remain just looking at the birds, looking at the birds, looking at the birds. One more day. In my dream I was younger, holding court and flirting about. Little winks and big smiles, and carelessly tossed around. It still lives here inside me, has nowhere to go. The ancient prima donna, no one left to flow, reaching out to those around me, caught in the same boat as the boat is going down. Can I still swim? Will I make it back to shore? Looking for the coast and some solid ground. Will my friends steer me through the water? I'm just looking for some sand, just looking for for some sand, just looking for some sand, so I can land.